Hello, it's Bloxtools team, and in this video, I will be showing you on how to get shaders on any Roblox game, like in this video. So first of all, we should choose the game we want to get shaders in. Game I have chosen is Murder Mystery 2. Now right-click on Game Image and press Inspect. Go to the Network tab. In some browsers, it has Wi-Fi icon, like there. Refresh the page. When page fully loads, scroll up to the game name file. Right-click on it, then choose Copy, and then click Copy as PowerShell. Now go to the Bloxtools website and enter your graphics game file. Now wait around 1 minute to fully load it. While it's loading, it'll tell you some good news. I uploaded a new bot followers tutorial on my channel, and you should check out this video. By the way, I will leave Bloxtools website link in description and pinned comment. As you see, it's loaded, so we can go hop on Murder Mystery 2. Now we in game, and as you see, these shaders looks really good and it works. Thanks for watching the video, and goodbye!